Today I'm going to be replacing the rear shocks on my 2014 Ford Fusion. I've got a rattling noise in the back. It almost sounds like it's coming from behind the back seat, and I think that the top shock mount has gotten bad. These are made out of aluminum and they can get wore out and get kind of sloppy loose. So I'm going to repair that. It's these two bolts here you take out, and then there are two bolts underneath that you have to take out, so it's not too bad. So it shouldn't be too hard of a repair to get done, and hopefully that's going to fix the problem. So if you have a weird rattling noise, kind of a thumping noise, it very well could be your shocks. And I bought these shocks from Rock Auto, these KYB XLs, which are really good shocks, for like 65 bucks a piece. And if I would have bought them around here at the auto parts store, they would have been over 120 bucks. So Rock Auto, or one of those places, is a really good way to go to do that. So anyways, hopefully if you have that issue, that'll fix your problem. Have a good day.